Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your phone number from Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Snapchat on a mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? So afterwards, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top left corner, and now tap on the settings icon on top right corner of the screen, and now again tap on this mobile number section. You can see we have our number. And if so, for us, if you would like to delete, what we can do, we can simply go ahead erase it, right? But even if you erase and we go back, we still will have that number of ours right there, because Snapchat actually needs the number for the security purpose or for login purpose. You cannot get access to it without a number. You have to, if you would like to delete this, you gotta go ahead, enter a new number, verify that number, and that will you will be able to get rid of your previous one. So that is the only option available, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.